welcome back to Time. I'm actually walking into brunch right now, my favorite restaurant here in Salento, and today I'm gonna ride all over the walls because my challenge is to ride Hammocks and Hummingbirds, the YouTube channel, as many times as possible. So every time I come in here, I'm actually riding the channel on the wall. The cool thing is, you can just ride on the wall, and my mission is to ride this channel as many times as possible on these beautiful walls all over brunch. Delicious dinner and brunch, and that's it for today. I'm walking home, it's dark outside, time to go sleep, and I wish you guys a beautiful night. I will see you tomorrow. Bye!